how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. In this video, we are going to show you solutions on how to fix it. So without any delay, let's start. For that, the first thing is you can update your ChatGPT application. So in order to do so, you may head over to your available app store in your device and then ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the search and search for ChatGPT. And after you search for it, if any kind of update is available for the following application, you can just go ahead and update it. Another thing is the corrupted cache can also cause some issues with file uploads. So for that, you can go ahead and clear the cache. So in order to clear the cache, you may long press on the app, go to the info section at the top, and then once you go over to info section, scroll down, look for storage. And after going over to storage, clear the cache of your ChatGPT application. Another thing is if you're using any kind of VPN or proxy, try disabling it and uploading the files again, as this can sometimes interfere with the connections to OpenAI's servers. If you're still having trouble, you can go ahead and try uninstalling the application and go ahead and uninstall it and again reinstall it. If you have tried all of the above and are still experiencing problems, you can reach out to OpenAI support for further assistance and they should help you. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to fix the issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.